There is one thing I really like about Uber Eats, and that's the fact that I can see the individual tips on a double stacked order. The problem, you kind of have to hunt for it. So I'll show you exactly how you can see each client's tips on a double stacked order. First, we're going to start off, I have my phone in hand, top left-hand corner, let's click on those three lines. Now, typically speaking, we do go to earnings, and that's not going to change only because I want to show you something. If I go to my See Earnings activity, we're going to take a look at this double stacked order, for example. So in this double stacked order, I was supposed to make $20.05. I ended up making $23.88 in 30 minutes. Not bad at all, so that I'm happy about. But let's scroll down. So it shows my tip was $17.18, but that's for 2 clients. How do I define it for each client? Now I'm going to let you know, first of all, I'm going to go back to that main menu. So we got our 3 lines. Good. We're going to click something different. I'm going to let you know though, Uber is going to round it to the nearest cent. So let me specify. We saw $17.18. Here, we're going to go to wallet. Once you click on wallet, I know mine shows balance is 0, but we saw 34. Simple, cash out. So we're going to click on the arrow that we see next to the $0. Now, to define which one was which, that first one at the top, $7.35, was for a single stack order. But if we combine these 2 last ones together, first of all, they're 4 minutes apart from one another, but we got $11.50 and $5.70. So if we put those together, that's a total of $17.20. That's what I mean by Uber rounds it to the nearest cent. If I scroll through here, you don't see an 8, you don't see a 7, you don't see a 6. All tips showing under your actual wallet will end in a 0 or end in a 5. But then I could see, for example, on that double stacked, one client tipped me $11.50 and the other one tipped me $5.70. And you can click each transaction to get the details. So I see that status is complete. I know that it was a delivery that started at 6 p.m. or ended at 6 p.m. rather. And it shows the date and the time. I don't know why it shows at 7 versus at 6, but probably because of the fact that tips come in generated after 1 hour. So I completed it at 6 and then it generates at 7 p.m. That makes sense to me. But there you have it, a very super quick and easy method so that you can see your individual tips on Uber Eats. And I'll catch you lovelies in the next video.